to attempt to make an eccentric, what they call eccentric. I learned this from Pete 222. So I'm going to pack one side with 3/16 packing on a 3-jaw chuck there. Okay, so this is a attempt anyway. So this is 7/8 brass. That's the only one I got. Well guys, as you can see, it is working, and I'm going to do this very slowly, so I'm going to do it off camera. So guys, I've done another one because the other one didn't work out very well. I packed this one with 1/8 piece there. I got it there, but I'm not sure if it's any good. I'm still going to try it. So this is what it looks like. I did drill a hole. So guys, this is the tool I bought. The radio's a bit loud, I'm afraid. And I'm going to try and drill with this. I'm not sure how good it is. Doesn't fit it yet. I'm wondering if I should. Okay guys, after many tries of trying to get this right, finally I think I have done something correct. I'm not sure yet, but this fits there nicely like that, and that goes around like this. So I've achieved something, not sure what. I'm going to try and drill that hole a bit deeper, cut that up there, and drill and tap that. What happens? So guys, I cut the end off. Cut the end off there, guys, and I'm just gonna straighten that up. So guys, this is it now. So it has that spin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this plate off and then show it again. So guys, roughly measuring, I'm getting about 3/8 to a 1/4 inch stroke here. So if it's difficult to measure this. Okay, start there. Start there. Right. See, just over a 1/4, I would say. So yeah, it's just over a 1/4.
With it. It's funny, you know when it's your birthday, right? You hate doing anything that's not fun. We all get spoiled, don't we? Even like your 30s and 40s, you're like... Yeah.
I have to cut the plate down thin and also cut it down here so decide where it goes here, and then put something here for this end to work. That should be it. Let's hope it works. Okay guys, the idea is to mark this and cut strips out. So cut these strips out so it's nice and thin there. See how that works. So guys, I messed this up because I went further than I was supposed to. And it's a bit difficult to cut this thing, especially when you're not used to it. So anyway, next idea is to make a hole there, cut it off there, and get this tigged in there like that. That should work. So guys, here it is made. I got it made. Obviously this is length is a bit longer than it's supposed to be. But I got it tinked here, and it works out better because this looks so smooth. I mean, so straight, of course. So yeah, that's what I did.